Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a quick and easy cupcake recipe that we can make in a microwave. I'm going to make a chocolate cake. Let's see the ingredients now. I've taken 1.5 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons milk. We'll see the other ingredients when we make the batter for the mug cake. In a microwave safe mug, add the wheat flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Once we are done adding all the dry ingredients, let's mix this well. Now we can add the milk, oil and about 2 to 3 drops of vanilla extract. We can mix this until all the ingredients are combined together, but make sure not to overmix. You can see the consistency of the batter here. I'm going to microwave this for 1.5 minutes. Every microwave is different, so start off with 1 minute and increase the time by 15 seconds. I just got this out of the microwave. We can use a toothpick and check if it's cooked. I'm going to sprinkle some sugar on top of the mug cake and add some chocolate chips. Soft and delicious chocolate mug cake is ready. Once we make the batter, we can make this chocolate mug cake in just 1.5 minutes. You can increase the quantity of ingredients as needed to make a larger mug cake. This is a very delicious recipe. Please try and share, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.